SmartMove's powerful account portal gives your corporate clients complete control over how their travel budgets are used. The portal includes powerful features that give you the ability to put high-level restrictions on individual users or bookings, as well as providing extensive reporting facilities. There are 3 access levels available within the portal. Fleet Managers. Fleet managers have total control over all aspects of their fleet's portal, including full visibility of all users and bookings. They can add or edit details or bookings for any other user on their portal, including resetting passwords. Account Managers. The account manager is able to add a new customer. They can also edit customer details, set or reset passwords, along with making or editing bookings. The account manager also has full visibility of all bookings which use the account. Customers. Customers can make or edit their own bookings. They can view or edit any bookings in the system which have been made for them by an account manager. A customer also has full visibility of any past bookings they have taken, including a map of their trip. There are 3 websites used to set up the portal. Portal.smartmovetaxis.com is used by the fleet and account managers to set up users and to make bookings for customers. Account.smartmovetaxis.com is used by the customers to make bookings for themselves. Fleets.smartmovetaxis.com is used to add or edit any account details and to set up a booking form. How do you set up a portal for your fleet? Step 1. SmartMove support will set up the first fleet manager for you. Simply provide the name and email address of the person who will be managing the account holders along with a phone number. Step 2. Go to fleets.smartmovetaxis.com if you need to set up or edit any accounts for use in the portal. You can also set booking restrictions here, which would be applied to all customers who use this account. Step 3. Set up personalised booking form layouts from your fleet's portal using the layout option on the fleet management website. You can create individualised layouts for different accounts or portal users. Step 4. Set up your account managers. Step 5. Provide the login details to your account managers so they can set up their customers. Now your portal is set up, customers can make their own bookings via account.smartmovetaxis.com. Please watch the next video to learn how to set up an account manager.